What's going on, everybody? I replaced the window regulator in my son's Chevy Cruze LT 2014, so I figured I'd run a video on it. But everybody says it's easy. We'll see. But got a cover to take off, got a screw behind this panel, a screw here, then you got to pop the back off and some other stuff. So let's give her a shot. If you care about your trim, I'd probably not use a screwdriver, use something plastic. So this is a plastic cap here. Up kind of at the top, you got a spot for a screwdriver you can pull out. This is just a little rubber piece you just pop out. But it takes a T15 torque to take out the screws. Then you got to get and pry the bottom out and get the clips out. So again, probably not the best thing to do, but try to get a screwdriver or something plastic, a plastic pry tool in behind. And then this it pops out. Once you get it popped out a little bit, you're good to go. Then let's see if I can get you a shot. And then what you have, excuse my camera work, you have this blue piece that you have to take off the door handle. Then a couple plugs. You should see it or not. Tell you what, I want to take this off. I think I'll need a screwdriver though, maybe. Nope. So that blue clip just comes off and you pull that out. And then you have a couple plugs. This one has a blue clip you got to pull out before it will come out. But this one's just a regular old connector. This one back here. Use your screwdriver to get that blue clip out. Just don't lose it. Because you're gonna have to lose it. And then your door panel comes off. That out of the way. This is that blue clip. Don't lose it. But it ends up going, actually just put it back where it goes. Just stick it back in there. You got your T15 torque bit. This is what the armrest screws into. So just so you know, I took off this before to make sure it was broken, and that's what holds the window. So I broke, so I had to go buy a whole new window regulator. So it's a Dorman. The part number for my car's 2014 Chevy Cruze LT is 748-974 is what I bought. So hopefully it'll work. So I gotta take the window piece out. Let me see if I can get you. Great shot. here. So if I'm not mistaken, that's what holds the window in, like this bolt here. This bolt holds the window. You gotta take that out, and you have one over on this side you gotta take out. To see that plastic, I don't know if you can see in there, that plastic clip's what broke. So you gotta get that off of the window. So that's what I'm gonna struggle with now. I'll tell you what size socket it is when I figure it out. That's the part I bought. The nuts or the bolts look like 10 millimeter that holds the regulator on. Let me try to pull that out first, actually. That's for the window motor plug. So yeah, all this stuff is broken. These are just slots, so you don't have to take the top ones all the way out. So it kind of holds it when you pull the bolts out at the bottom. So. Brackets to hold the window and are 10 millimeter also. So those brackets are 10 millimeter as well. You need to keep these, maybe. I don't know. Find out. I didn't look at the part. I'm gonna pull the window up, see if I can get it to stay. Take off all the bolts. I'm assuming it's holding the regulator in there. Man, I need some battery power. Just like that, the broken piece is out. So it appears that it comes with the window holds already. So you don't have to worry about keeping the original ones. Looks like you gotta keep the bolts all the way around because it doesn't come with new bolts. So I gotta take that out and the other one. I guess stick these back in before you do anything else. I just put them back in. Just put them back in the holes. That's all I did right there. So now I gotta wrangle it back up into the window. It shouldn't be too bad, I don't think. That was fun. So kind of got to get it. So what I'm doing now is just putting the ones that are in the slots back in there, but what you're gonna have to do is try to get the brackets, or what I'm doing anyway, get the bracket in the window. All right, putting the bolt for the motor back in. put the bolts for the bottom bracket, bottom of the regulator in. Let's get it started. Take a second. Maybe. Don't forget to put the plug back or you're going to be mad at yourself. You have to go back up in here and push the red tab back up. These, where you tighten it up, the clamps up to the window, actually goes like they should. You can get to them from the holes. I don't know if it's because the other ones were broke, why I couldn't undo it that way, but so these are access ports to the window. Clamps, or whatever you want to call them. Now I'm just making sure I got the windows and the clamps. Alright, all the windows sitting in the track. Like it should anyway, so I want to tighten these down. You got to be careful, you don't want to tighten it too tight. You're going to be replacing a window. Or, yeah. So, it's enough to keep it still. I think that's it. Look how easy that is. First time doing it. Not knowing what I'm doing. So I guess put the door back together and see if it works. So I'm just I'll put the plugs in and then I'll put the door handle release on and then snap it back into place. Alright, so the next step is to get it back. Looky there. It works. She works. All the way down, all the way up. All the way down, all the way up. That's it. So I'll put you back down and I'll snap it all back together. So that's it, really. You have to do this. Don't break those clips. That's it. It's back on. You know what I forgot to do? Forgot to put the plate for the door handle hold on. That was a fail, wasn't it? See if I can do it without taking this whole fucking... Moral of that story is, don't just put your parts wherever. Keep them in a centralized area. Try this again. Yeah, that's better. Screws, the covers for it, and the nut side plate. That groove at the top, it goes to the top and you can get a screwdriver in. That's what I was talking about earlier. But yep, sure can. Just put it right back in, right? There it is. So you have a slot here, then you got a pin here. So the slot goes in this green, there's a green piece here. Right. The slot goes over that green piece, and then your post goes in this hole here. So. That's it. Working window. We'll see you next time. Thanks again. Bye.